So Michelle and I have just walked up from Dali Old Town. I'll just show you. We've just come up this hill. So Old Town is way down there, and we're just at the base of the mountain here. And we came across this shop, and it's got all these lovely foods here. I haven't got a clue how much it is. I don't think it's too expensive, maybe $1 to $3 a dish. So here it is. We've ordered. They brought us some tea. Yeah, and they put everything sterilized, cleaned and sterilized. So you've got a little cup here for your tea, something here for your food, your rice maybe when it comes. The chopsticks, all sterilized and cleaned.
Okay.
So let's have a look at this this herbal tea.
Yes.
Made a bit of a mess there. We've ordered 3 dishes. We'll see what comes. I love their little floral green teas. It's like maybe a chrysanthemum tea or a green tea. Very light, really delicious and refreshing. So the first dish has arrived, and it's a noodle of sorts, but it looks like a vegetable noodle, is it?
No, I think it says noodle and then it says cucumber. I can smell it.
Okay, so it's shredded cucumber. Yeah, you go in there and try some, yeah? So it's got the shredded cucumber on top and some pork, and it tastes, I can smell straight away. It's an oyster sauce, like a rich oyster sauce. Just get my plate under me. Wow. Really strange, like a fermented pork.
Yeah.
Like a fermented pork, perhaps in an oyster sauce. It's a cold dish, by the way, Michelle.
Okay.
So it's a cold dish.
It's not hot. Noodles are hot.
Take it back. The noodles are warm, but definitely there's a fermented pork. Really unusual flavour. Just try that pork by itself. Look. That is cold. It's a fermented pork. Maybe in an oyster sauce. Really hard to sort of pick out the flavours in there. It comes with this sort of fresh cucumber.
You can smell the cucumber.
And grated cucumber. The girl's asking what this is. We've got this little camera and she's not familiar with it. And now she understands. She's kind of...
She's shy.
She's gone a little shy. But she's coming over with our beautiful bread. Hello.
Hello.
谢谢.
不客气.
Thank you.
不客气.
谢谢.
不客气.
不客气. So this is...
不客气.
不客气.
不
客
气.
气. 不客气. 不客气. It's like a... It's an omelette of sorts. 谢谢. Thank you. I'm never going to get anything eaten. The girl thinks it's fantastic. She's teaching me all the words. You just cut it up with your chopsticks, basically. I think that's the only way you can go. But this is like a vegetable omelette flavour. Again, I think the eggs are very rich. Very rich. Maybe some cream in there.
Maybe they're not chicken.
Maybe some butter. Oh, here's our vegetables. Thank you.
不客气.
菠菜.
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 菜.
菠菜.
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 Okay.
Okay,菠菜. So we've got these lovely deep fried vegetables. It may be choy sum, bok choy, some sort of vegetable, I'm not sure. Possibly in some garlic and ginger, but it might not be. Actually, it smells like spinach. Yeah, it smells like spinach. Oh, hot.
Do the vegetables, there's just the noodles are so slippery. Wow, salty.
The noodles I like. It's a little bit towards a sort of fermented meat flavour. which wouldn't be everybody's cup of tea. And it's a little floral scented sort of flavour to the meat, which I like but don't love. But you know, it's nice to eat locally. If we go back down into the town, everything's sort of geared towards the tourists. This is local food. Thank you. So I just come over to get a little bit of rice as well. Thank you. 谢谢. So we've ordered way more than we can eat, but I just fancy a little bit of rice to cut through the richness of this food. It's really, really rich. I don't know about the rest of you out there, but I absolutely love steamed rice. Bye-bye. I didn't show you our plate because we left so much. I am so stuffed. I'm so full, Michelle.
Delicious.
We ordered too much.
That's the problem when you are hungry when we go into a place.
Yeah, when I'm hungry, because we've walked all the way up from way down there near that lake, you won't even be able, it's a speck. And yeah, the pork, the fermented pork, not my favourite, but everything else, the vegetables, the omelette, the rice, and the pork.
I like the noodles in the pork. I wasn't so keen on the sauce of the noodles, but the actual noodles with the cucumber and a little bit of the sauce was nice.
Yeah, but overall, the whole experience was very good. And there's another one.
Yeah.
Another one. We probably paid a little over the top. You can buy food around here for under 10 RMB, and we paid 61 for that, but we probably bought enough food for 4. Anyway, back down to Old Town Dali. Now I say Old Town Dali. I think this is Old Town Dali, and that's more sort of tourist town Dali. What are you having? Oh.
Sorry, I don't understand English.
That's okay, I don't understand Chinese. Hello. Come on, you're so pretty. Oh, come on. Have a little smell. Come on. It's yours.
The TV man spoke of death on some coast. I saw the crumbling debris. It dealt me a blow, but I'm thankful to know that it could never happen to me. I am standing on motionless land, a constant under my feet. God, 4 walls and a roof overhead, it could never have done to me. I feel for the poor folks who wander the streets in search of their daughters and sons. It's sad there are people with nothing to eat, but I'm thankful I'll never be one.
这冰岛服跟冰岛没有关系。我觉得应该没有关系。
是那个冰岛那个冰岛夫。
It's a nest from a tree over 100 years, but she called it a little tree.
Baby tree, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh no, she's gone. She's gone.
Maybe should we start the first, I think.
308 for 1 cake. The tea from old tree, but it's lower for younger tree.
Wow, it's even separated into. Very interesting.
Sometimes you need a timer or need a
来闻一下吧。
smell.
闻一下。
No, more intense than.
Yeah.
Much more intense, but the same smell.
Almost like a chrysanthemum tea, you know?
You know this?
I was going to
Oh,
ask,
what is it? Yeah.
what is the
We always keep a pet, something like pet on our tea table. We
Okay.
call it tea pet.
Tea pet.
You can through your teeth to it, so color will come dark, dark and dark.
Darker and darker, the more.
So like you are keeping a pet,
So that's your tea pet.
tea pet.
So do you have a tea pet?
Yes, but I don't
You don't feed
feed
it?
it.
Oh, you're so mean. You have to look at your tea pet.
Look at the colour of that.
So she's feeding the tea pet.
So the first, just heating
It's brand
through.
new. Here's very with a light color. Something like this color, maybe yellow, bright yellow.
So now she's hydrated the tea.
They never use the teeth in the first leaves. First time you collect the leaves, they use the leaves.
For a tea pet.
Yes, tea pet. Apart from shoes because he doesn't feed his tea pet.
Just adjusting the temperature. I'm ashamed of the way I make teas.
来，喝茶。
Thank you.
Enjoy.
谢谢。
That's nice, sweet. It smells.
Smells of tea.
Floral. Is it floral? Oh, actually, like honey, like sweet, like.
Yeah.
It's like the honey. It's a little bit sweeter.
Yeah, it's quite very,
说
very.
有蜂蜜的味道。
有蜂蜜的味道，不是这个红茶的。
It has a very unusual sweet edge to it, hasn't it? Are they adding any sugar to the leaf? No.
Nothing added.
Natural sweet.
这是我们自己做的，
Fermented.
没有。
Half fermented. Keep it in a warm and wet place.
What's it, about 6 months or so?
Maybe. 这个要发酵多久？
这个是不一定，就是看那个听时，如果是
almost,
听时好的话是可以
like a light
发酵12
sugar
个
syrup.
小时就可以了。如果是听时不好的话是24个小时，
就好了。
Yeah, it has a
因为是
Depend on
你
the
要
weather.
你要把它那个
Almost like a
就是
very
煨
light
掉过嘛
honey.，
把它煨
You
掉
get
过
that?
就
But with
又在
pollen,
又是
like
在
flower
揉
pollen.
揉好了，你就把那个就是用薄布嘛，就像这种。
Look at this. The little birds. So this is the inside of a little house. You can see all the original windows here, and it's been converted into a shop. Here we come. Hello. Oh, he's giving him some rice. Cheers. Bye bye. So, buddy,
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Yeah.
You've been really good. Now, how do we say the name of your hotel?
不羡山。
Bu Xian Shan.
Yeah.
Okay.